Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to get the workbench in 7 days to die. So first of all, we'll need to gather some Forge Ahead magazines, 10 of them to be precise, and to increase the chance of finding the Forge Ahead magazines, go to the skills menu, go to Intellect tab, and here inside of the Advanced Engineering skill, make sure you've got this to the highest possible level that you can, because this is going to boost the lot odds of finding the Forge Ahead magazines, as you can see here. Now, once you've gathered 10 of these Forge Ahead magazines, it is going to unlock the workbench instead of the tier 1 of workstations, as you can see here. Now, to craft it, just go to your inventory, search for the workbench, and here you should see you'll need some forged iron, mechanical parts, duct tape, nails, and wood. Wood can be gathered from trees. Nails can be made inside of the forge, which is unlocked by having 5 of the Forge Ahead magazines, and nails can be crafted from some iron and clay. And nextly, we'll need some duct tape, which is made from some cloth, like this, these cloth fragments, and some glue, or just found inside of boxes and houses, inside of the loot boxes. And mechanical parts can be gathered by using the wrench and scrapping some cars or shopping carts. Or the easiest method is to find an intact car, scrap it using the wrench, and once you get an engine, just go ahead and scrap the engine, and then this is going to give you 30 mechanical parts. Now the last thing that we'll need is forged iron, and forged iron is also easily gatherable. And all you'll need to do is have the wrench at your hand and some blocks to build up on these poles, and make sure you see this transformer on the side of them. And once you do, just build up and use the wrench to disassemble it, and this is going to give you some forged iron. And also you can make it inside of the forge from some iron and clay, but if you don't have the ability to do that, this is an option too. And now that you've gathered all the resources inside of your inventory, just go ahead and craft the workbench. This is going to take about 2 minutes to craft, and once you do, just go ahead and place it down, and now you can use workbench. This is pretty much all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.